Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I tested out the L'Oreal Elvive products, and I also have this huge one right here. This is either a rinse out treatment or a leave-in, and that is something that I'm not very familiar with, so I do try this out as a leave-in because I wanted to put it to the test. I wanted to see if it would work with products that I already use in my hair, and so that is what you're going to see today. You're going to see my wash day and style. If you're new to this channel, please do hit subscribe. I'm so happy that you decided to click on this video. I hope you're here to stay. Thank you so much, and let's get right into this video. So excited to see if this works. So this is a rinse out or a leave-in. We're going to test it as a leave-in. Usually rinse outs are rinse outs and leave-ins are leave-ins. So far the shampoo really made my hair feel nice and clean, yet it did not feel stripped. And the conditioner definitely made my hair feel very soft. So if I had longer hair, I know that I can detangle with that, and that is a plus. That is one of the things that I don't miss was my wash day with the longer hair, because it definitely took so long trying to do it the right way, because you can rush through it but you're gonna regret it later down the line. So you always want to take your time when you're detangling your hair, and it took a long time. So I'm happy to report that that is a conditioner you can try out to detangle your hair, and it smells great. If you have not smelled the Elvive product line, they always smell really good, so I would definitely try it out. Now we're going to put this repair conditioner to the test. I'm going to be pairing it with my Eco Styler gel. This is what I love to use on my edges, so I don't typically use it all over, so that's okay, but I want to make sure that I can at least do my edges. Let's put this to the test. When my hair is long, I always apply these kind of products in the shower so that I can lock in that really defined curl. With my hair really short, I just have a water bottle. This is my really dry spot. It is not even as dry on this side as it is on this side, even in the same areas. It's just this one spot. It's also like that when my hair is long. It's like the one spot that I have to actually work at defining. Also, another thing about me is that I use leave-ins as stylers, so I never really put hold products in the back of my hair. Another thing I do is I really just smooth the curl out. Sometimes I give it a little twist. We are in the growing phase, so I'm not really laying my hair flat anymore because it will be actually ridiculous to keep trying to do that. It won't do it anymore. So right now we're just in the go with the flow, go with the curl. So before getting too excited, I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to apply it right to the perimeter. So we have just a little bit of separation of product. You can see right there. As you can see, there are a little bit of flaky spots. They will go away, but I just don't like to see that. So I'm going to do my makeup, get dressed, see how my hair dries, and then I will be right back with my official verdict on whether or not I would agree that I can use this as a leave-in. Okay, so my hair is now dry and I wanted to show you how it looks. It is definitely not flaky once it dried, and I didn't apply anything to it. I didn't even touch it. I just left it as is and just let it dry and do its thing. It's still a little damp in some areas, so I'm not really going to be touching my hair much for you guys right now. But I can say I possibly will not use that as a leave-in if I'm going to be using my Eco Styler. I really do recommend this if you have longer hair and you want to try it out with your own products to see if you can use that as a leave-in or you're just going to use it as a treatment. Either way, I think it will work. It just did not work with the Eco Styler gel. But as far as defining the curls and moisturizing my curls, I do feel like it did that. I'll give this product a thumbs up for my curly hair. We will be revisiting this product when my hair is a little longer, so we can see if we could do maybe a twist out or something. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And that concludes this video. I'm so happy that you guys hung out with me today. Please leave requests down below if you have any other kind of hair videos or products that you've been eyeing that you might want to try but want me to try first. I'll be your guinea pig, so just let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be doing more videos like this where I'm trying out products and seeing how they work for my pixie cut as my hair grows out, because we are growing our hair out. This was fun, and now I'm ready to be able to maybe have a few days in between how many times I have to comb my hair. So that is probably the only con about short haircut, is that you do have to style your hair every day. It is not low maintenance unless you have straight hair. This is not low maintenance. You do have to restyle it all the time. So on my lazy days, I just throw on a bandy, which you guys have seen many times, or I'll throw on a baseball cap. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till my next video, stay beautiful.